Intuit Assist for Business Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are included in the description if you'd like to explore it further or get a demo. Intuit Assist is a comprehensive AI-powered business assistant designed to help businesses streamline their operations, improve efficiency, and enhance decision-making processes. Primarily aimed at small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, Intuit Assist integrates seamlessly with Intuit's suite of financial and accounting tools, including QuickBooks and TurboTax, offering a unified solution for managing business tasks. Its key features include smart task automation, financial reporting, and personalized insights, which are powered by artificial intelligence to support decision-making and business growth. One of the platform's standout features is its ability to automate routine tasks such as expense tracking, invoice generation, and tax preparation. This allows business owners and finance teams to save time on repetitive tasks, reducing the likelihood of human error and ensuring accuracy. Intuit Assist also provides real-time financial insights, offering businesses a comprehensive view of their cash flow, profits, and expenses. With its data-driven recommendations, users can make informed decisions that positively impact their bottom line. The integration with Intuit's other tools is a major strength, as it centralizes data from multiple sources and ensures seamless synchronization. The platform also offers customizable dashboards that allow businesses to track key metrics and KPIs, making it easier for managers and business owners to monitor their financial health at a glance. The AI-powered assistant offers suggestions and tips on improving business operations, which can be particularly valuable for startups and growing businesses looking to optimize their processes. However, the primary weakness of Intuit Assist is its cost, especially for smaller businesses or those just starting. The subscription fees may be a bit steep for businesses operating on tighter budgets. Additionally, while the platform offers robust features, it may have a learning curve for new users who are unfamiliar with Intuit's ecosystem. Overall, Intuit Assist is an excellent tool for SMEs looking to simplify their financial management and gain valuable business insights. Its AI-driven features, task automation, and seamless integration with Intuit's tools make it a powerful asset for business owners aiming to improve efficiency and decision-making. For more details, check out the links in the description.